everybody, and welcome to Nicole's Untold Gold. We're gonna continue on with the bathroom, and I will give you an update. So, let's go find Chet.
Hello! We're having loads of fun.
So, as you can see, there is now a shower. The plumbing and electrical are done, and today the electrical inspector came. So now we can continue on. So Chet is working on insulating while I'm making supper.
Insulating for sound. I don't want to be woken up.
Then we'll be sheetrocking. We sheetrocked a little bit last weekend on the outside, but then we'll do the inside. Quite different looking from the last time everybody's seen it. So there's a floor now, there's a shower, there's walls. Yeah. Exciting stuff happening.
Insulating in a cutoff shirt is always suggested.
He'll be itching for a week.
So we were working on this project a little bit right before the 4th of July weekend. Anyways, I ran out of supplies. Nicole luckily went to the, I don't know where she went. Must have been a lumber yard, and picked up some more sheetrock. No, it wasn't sheetrock, it was plywood. That's what she picked up, 1/4-inch plywood, so that we can finish the floor here. But now I have realized we have a problem. It's a bad problem. No one likes to hear it. So here's the problem here. Just a second. You hear that squeak? That's unacceptable. Can't have a squeak like that. Now, what I need to do is put a 1/4-inch plywood here to match up with the rest of the floor so that the floor is at the same level or close to it. And I'm gonna have to go get some caulk or something, maybe some liquid nails, glue this last layer down, take this sheet back out, put it in between there so that we don't get a squeak anymore, hopefully. In theory, that is what I'm hoping, because I don't want to listen to that the rest of my life.
I went to the lumberyard and got sheetrock, huh?
Yeah, ain't that what this stuff's called?
Yeah.
It must be, because that's what I said it was.
Yeah.
You should go down there and get it all set up for me so I don't have to do nothing or think anymore tonight. You gotta do this one first. 87 and short 3/4. I'm sure somebody knows what a short 3/4 is, but I don't. That's what I call it. You know how you write down a short 3/4?
You put a negative sign next to it.
And if it's one line longer than 3/4, you put a positive.
I only know that from working with you.
Measuring.
We're gonna close up
40.
this hole to the basement here.
40.5. Yeah, we're getting closer to being able to do that.
I'm really sad we're covering my wood floors back up.
Do I try to do this all in one sheet? I can never cut that.
I wouldn't.
I can't cut that
I
out.
wouldn't do it.
That's way too much
We'll
thinking.
just cut this one and then we'll go measure this one.
Yeah, and step on that. There's a squeak.
Why is there a squeak?
Step in the middle. Well, apparently when you only weigh 105 pounds,
it won't
doesn't
squeak
matter.
for me. Only for Tubbas.
72.5.
It's not squeaking. Also, shout out to the runnings guy that recognized me from these videos and helped me at runnings. What are the numbers on one little piece of sheetrock?
Yeah, I'm never gonna be able to keep this straight. How many times do you think I'm gonna... Does that make sense?
You done
Does
with
this
the
even
installation?
make sense to anybody? Look at the scribbling. Okay, pretty much done, yeah.
The only thing you haven't done is behind the shower.
There and right here.
Cool beans. Are you gonna...
You see these guns? Look out. They could hurt
I
you.
will show you a true gun show. Watch out for the power!
Oh, my ears. That gun show is loud. Oh. Alright, let's go cut some wood.
Okay.
You got your wood out?
No, I don't.
Oh, good thing I got mine out.
Stop.
Bend it around the corner.
Ow!
Keep going, I'll bend it.
Bye, so you're gonna come say hi? All the people's probably miss seeing you. You're such a pretty boy. Yes. Sit. High five. Good boy. You're a good boy. How are you doing?
Oh, we're making sense out of it. 72 and a half.
Isn't this some nice plywood?
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
It's gorgeous.
It was expensive.
I suppose. Why wouldn't it be? 17 and a quarter. Oh, that measurement ain't right. No way, no how. Nope. Huh. Measure twice, cut once.
Well, at least you caught it.
It's because of this fancy T-square. That's an L. Is this an L?
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
I was the one that just notified you of that it is an L, not a T, so...
Well, I can't help the way that we call it. Oh! Can you believe it? That I made sense out of that? You think it'll fit?
We'll find out.
I'm gonna need that hole saw deal. You wanna run and grab it?
Okay.
Here, move the stand. Oh, japers. She's bucking down. You watching this? What I just did? The camera? Are you? No, you aren't. Did you? This rapist outfit. Okay, how about that?
Well, we'll find out. Good news is if it's not right, we still have enough to cut another.
Those of little faith. King Kong. King. Construction grade adhesive. Premium. Ow!
How's that working?
You have to break it out. Break out the seal. Boy, you finished up the Cheerios this morning, huh? Time to clean this crap hole of a garage.
Yeah, why I gotta clean everything?
Yeah, I should clean it, but we don't have enough places to store everything.
That's the problem.
All the crap that I have, you know?
Yeah.
Woo! It's stagnant out.
It's better in the evening than in the morning.
I don't know about that. Better than it was.
Someone's not negative at all about everything, as everyone I'm sure has noticed.
I had to work in this all day long, woman.
Mm-hmm.
No appreciation for the work I do.
Now you get to work in the AC.
Let's not touch my butt. It's not for this camera.
Oh, God.
That's for the other camera.
This insulation smells like cotton candy.
It stinks. It stinks.
Why is it so sweet smelling?
I don't know. Ask the manufacturer. Okay, we gotta remove this to fix the squeak.
I never found a squeak.
We're going way deeper.
Oh.
We're starting at square one with this one.
All because of a phantom squeak, you think you
All
hear?
because I cut this out because I thought the wall was there, but it wasn't. Well, it was, but it wasn't.
And the glue is gonna fix the problem?
Well, it's gonna help. You didn't just see me abuse a tool, did you? They wouldn't make them so strong and durable.
Should we see if your piece fits now?
Yeah, let's do that. Oh no. Oh no, it's gooing everywhere. Perfect.
Yeah.
Don't even have to beat it in. But we do need to cock it.
Down?
Yep.
You're just obsessed with the squeak, aren't you?
Well, I've opened this up, and it shall be used now.
Really unsure why you're filling things so full.
I don't like squeaks. Oh yeah, get in the insulation. Uh-oh. Why did I glue that? I don't have a piece cut yet.
I don't know why you did that.
Uh-oh. Look at how good that is. That's impressive. Truthfully, I thought I didn't cut it that tight. You want to grab some screws? Rub your legs all over the insulation, please.
Why did
Way
you do
over
that?
there. Well, this wall never used to be here. Hurry up! Hurry up!
This piece of wood here, I don't know if it's that one or the other one, took a chunk out of Chet's toe in the middle of the night. Like I said would happen, then he'd get hung up in the plastic and injure himself. Which ones?
Shorter one.
It was pretty hilarious, honestly.
Except I still can't walk decent.
Oh, that's very dramatic. He can walk just fine.
Didn't know that trick.
Sometimes
Spit on your finger, it don't stick.
you make me very uncomfortable.
It's a true statement.
Crazy with that stuff.
You got one chance to do it right, or you forever will live with a squeak. Okay, don't step in that the rest of the night.
How about we just put the carpet on it?
You could put the pad down, maybe. Oh man, it's hot up here for some reason.
Do you want to take the sheetrock off that we put on and put the insulation in first?
Nope, I want to get something done. We got to cut that piece first so that that wall is done, then do the ceiling. Ha! Ha!
You want to use this one?
Maybe not. I don't know how long it is. Excuse me, I seem to be a little winded. Oh yeah. Lift it up to the ceiling. Is it to the ceiling?
Yeah.
Push hard then. Are you pushing hard?
Mm-hmm.
Don't put your hand through it though. I suppose we never marked where the studs were.
No, we didn't.
I should get one of them fancy gun end things.
What goes here?
They mud that.
Oh, it's a lot of mud.
That's what I was told anyways. Don't look to me for too much wisdom and knowledge in this carpentry stuff.
I don't even mind that bluish color.
I'll pretend you didn't say that. I just sunk that so deep.
Would you like to explain why you're doing?
So that later in the future I don't have to deal with those stupid little sheetrock holders for the toilet paper roll thing, mount thing, thingy majiggy thingy. Over here we're gonna have most likely towel racks or hooks of some sort, so I'm gonna also do them in that wall also.
Alright guys, the truth of the matter is that it was just way too hard to try and record while putting the sheetrock up. So we did the ceiling, this part. We are short on sheetrock, so now we're just using up whatever we can to fit wherever we can. This side we did last weekend. So it's just this bottom part on this wall, then the inside of that wall, the bottom part of this wall, and the inside of this wall. So it's kind of sad how short, because this side is done too. Sad that we're short by what's honestly going to be maybe a sheet or two. But it is what it is. So, moving right along. Just cleaned up the big mess that was here. It's gone.
Well, it's about 9 o'clock just about. We got our ceiling done. Not very pretty. It was not good. We should not have tried to do it in one piece full length because it didn't go good, and cutting out didn't go the best either, but we got it done. We're out of sheetrock, so now we need to get more sheetrock. But basically, exterior walls are pretty much done. I need one more piece there, and then the exterior walls are basically done besides a little bit of trim pieces here, scrap pieces. So I'm about maybe 2.5, 3 sheets short. So I'll have to go get some more tomorrow. Hopefully Nicole can go do that. We can finish tomorrow night, I hope, is the goal. But for tonight, I'm going to shower because I feel disgusting. Time to clean up and call her a night. Are you glad to be done?
Yeah.
Glad we ran out of sheetrock?
I don't care. How do you feel about it?
I'm sure glad we're done for the night. That's all I will say. Clean up, clean up.